So this is the Lego spinner, aka the builder by FlyAway Toys. It's really an awesome spinner. It's Lego design is designed for kids friendly at all age. It's made of aluminium, full aluminium. The overall feel wise is easy handling. Be it there's a non-curved edge body, as you can see, with big buttons. It comes with stainless steel bone straight ball bearing, which is everyone is using out there, and then of course it's budget friendly. Be it how you guys want to play it. You can play within a single finger or two-handed. It gives me about a minute, 20 seconds to 1 minute 50 seconds. Considering it as just a stainless steel ball bearings, upgrading to high-rig ceramic or full ceramic is possible. So do check it out. Their website, I will link it below, and then just check them out. They have other kinds like the Falcon and the Interceptor. It's really cool.